The cassava plant is a woody perennial with erect stems and spirally arranged leaves, with leaves up to 35 centimeters in length. The edible roots are usually cylindrical and are sometimes in brown and white colors. So to fertilize your cassava, you would have to dig 20 centimeters around the base of the cassava stem. The initial fertilizer requirement for your cassava plant is the balanced compound fertilizer like the NPK 1515, the 10-10-10, and the likes. So later on, you go in for the fertilizers that are low in potassium but higher in nitrogen and phosphorus. After placing in the fertilizer, you gently cover it with soil and you water the plant. So thank you for watching, and I hope this be of benefit to you, and I hope to see you in my next video.